In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide your friends list on Facebook. So I'm starting here by opening Facebook. And once the homepage loads, I'm heading up to the top right corner and clicking on my profile picture. That opens up the account menu. And from here, I'm going straight to my profile page. I'm clicking into that now and waiting a second for everything to load. Now that I'm on my profile, I'm looking across the profile tabs for the Friends tab. Once I see it, I'm clicking on Friends. That takes me into the section where my friend list is shown, and from here I'm looking over on the right side for the three dots. Those three dots open more options for the Friends section, so I'm clicking on them now. As soon as that menu opens, I can see the option for Edit Privacy, and that's exactly what I need here, so I'm clicking Edit Privacy. Now Facebook opens the privacy settings for this part of the profile, and this is where I can control who gets to see my friends list. At this point I'm looking for the setting called Friend List. Once I find it, I can see a drop down right next to it, so now I'm clicking that drop down and Facebook shows me the audience options for the friend list. The option I want here is only me because that makes the list private so other people can't see it. I'm selecting only me now, and once I click it, the privacy setting is changed right away. Now that the setting is updated, the last thing I need to do is close the window. So I'm closing that privacy window now, and that's it. My friends list is now hidden from other people on Facebook. It only takes a few clicks once you know where the setting is, and the main thing is getting into the friends section first and then opening the privacy option from the three dot menu. So the full flow is very simple. You open Facebook, click your profile picture in the top right, go to your profile page, click the friends tab, click the three dots on the right side, choose edit privacy, find friend list, click the drop down next to it, select only me, and then close the window. If your screen looks a little different, that's normal because Facebook changes the layout sometimes, but the process is still basically the same. The important part is opening your profile, going into friends, and then changing the friend list privacy setting to only me. Once that's done, the change is in place and your friends list is hidden.